right, Michigan, let's step up the grilling game a little bit. Burgers and dogs are fine. Everybody loves them. But we can up it a little bit. Dazzle your friends and family with some surf and turf. You can get this free recipe at mysafegrilling.com. Surf and turf pack. Well, let's start with surf, right? Okay. We'll keep it in order. Wrap her up. Nice little packet here. We're gonna fold this all pretty. All right, so we got our nice little packet here. We've got some already waiting for us on this beautiful little propane grill. This is lovely. Captain Neil, who's also a chef. He was laughing at me as I was making this. You can make the next one. But let's sample these first. Okay, I'm gonna grab the tongs. Kathy's gonna talk about some safety tips for us as we're grilling. Kathy.
Propane is a great fuel to use. It's really easy to use, and the Michigan Propane Gas Association recommends that you do a basic safety check before you start cooking. And what that entails is first of all, look at the hardware. Just make sure that the hose is, intact, that it doesn't have any leaks in it or any cracks. And then look at the tank itself. Make sure there's no rust or dents or cracks, and then you're pretty much good to go there. And then what you want to do next is a leak test, and that is just to secure the system, make sure that the hose is connected to the tank itself, securely. And then if you see bubbles that are expanding, that means that there's a systems problem, that it's not connected. But if you don't see any bubbles popping up and growing, then that means your system is good to go. Is that right, Captain?
All right, thank you so much. Now you can get more recipes. You can visit MPGA's website at mysafegrilling.com for more amazing, delicious recipes and tips and safety tips. Get out there and get the grill rolling. Burgers and dogs are fine, but dazzle them with the fun stuff.